today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, guys, what the heck is happening to Bitcoin and the whole crypto market right now? We see altcoins pumping left and right, 50, 60, 70% sometimes, Bitcoin breaking resistance. And every one of you, including me, is of course asking right now, are we breaking actually resistance? Are we going to reach a price target? I am going to talk about, in the end of this video, a very surprising one. Or is this once again a dead cat bounce and we are all going to be fooled? I was actually posting yesterday. I am announcing a new trade of mine. And yes, guys, it is a risky one, a big one. Big risky one. Few $100,000 in this specific trade. Well, we will talk about that. We will talk about my exact game plan and everything I'm looking forward to for crypto and Bitcoin in the immediate short term. Thank you so much for watching, guys. As always, like this video, retweet and comment, and we are going right now straight into the charts. I truly appreciate your patience, guys, that you are still here watching this video. Clearly identifies you as the holders and as those people who are going to be here last, and the people who laugh last, laugh the best. That is the case for crypto and Bitcoin. Now let's go straight into the charts before I talk about my trade, before I talk about my price targets and what's actually happening for Bitcoin. Please do remember that I was talking for weeks about that this has to break. In January, until the end of January, this break is going to happen. I was not telling you necessarily 100% we break towards the upside or towards the downside. I told you way more likely to break towards the upside because, I mean, the 12-year trend is our friend until the very end. And when the end is coming, well, it's probably not the end, right? Now, we are coming very close to the apex, and actually if we are zooming in a little bit, we are getting much more clarity as to what is going on here. Let me go on to the 8-hourly candles, and you can see that I was posting this here, and I said, take it with a grain of salt, right? I mean, it was not this one here where I said crazy good news, it was this one here where I said, no way crazy, 120,000 views, we are still the most viewed Bitcoin-only channel on the internet. And that is beautiful. Of course, I'm going to talk about altcoins in the future as well again. The time has come soon. But now let's talk about this. So we broke out here. Is this a reason to like pull out the Dom Perignon and start celebrating? No, for sure not. First of all, it's too expensive for the bear market. Second of all, alcohol is not good for you. But what you can see here is that this was not the most important break. It was just the first one. What we need to break is this downward sloping trend line. Exactly the price of round about $17,500. Bitcoin is right now actually approaching resistance. As long as we are not breaking this, no bottle is popped whatsoever. Not even juice bottles are popped here because we are still below resistance. And now, if we are going out to the weekly, actually, before I go and share my price targets, I want to share my trade with you because I know that many of you are interested in that when I'm sharing that these things are getting like 100, 200, 300,000, 400,000 impressions, sometimes even more. So I want to talk about my game plan and then I will go into the charts and talk about the price target because some things are coming into alignment as they are always coming into alignment in every single cycle, and it is happening right now. I want to state the facts. I don't want to be an irrational moon boy, but at least I want to state the facts. If the things are in our favor, if the odds are in our favor, I want to talk about that. So here you can see my trade right now racking in 11-12% in a profit, so nothing yet, right? Not much. And actually this trade is a cautious trade. I am willing to go out if this was a fake out. I want to wait for the 17.5 break before I am scaling this one higher. Why 17.5k break? Well, I already talked about it. That is this downward sloping trend and which resistance we are right now approaching. I need a weekly close above because this is a weekly pattern. Now the question is, what is the price target? Well, the first one I'm definitely taking, the first profit taking area is round about here at the $18,400 price level where we got rejected before. You can see it right here just a few weeks ago. And why? Because there's a lot of volume resistance. Speaking about volume resistance, the next profit taking area, and this might be in weeks, however, would be somewhere between the 30,000 and the 32,000 area, the area where the most volume ever in US dollar denomination was traded in the history of Bitcoin. And that was here throughout 1.5 almost freaking years. This is one which is hard to break. Once we break this, Bye-bye, Bitcoin bears. It's over for you. This is definitely what I want to say. Once we are breaking 32,000 US dollars approximately, this is my game plan right now. And of course, some people were complaining. I did not see your trade. I did not see this and that. I understand. I would be complaining as well. But what you can do against that is go to my Twitter at Mmcrypto, verified checkmark. I will leave the link in the description down below in the pinned comment. Then click the notification bell. Follow me there. Make sure that you are getting these updates in absolute real time. The same here on YouTube. Go down below, press subscribe, press the bell, and press on all. Thank you so much for watching. Dear ladies and gentlemen, I truly love and appreciate every single one of you, especially those who are left here, because you are the patient ones. You are the winners of the future. Thank you so much. We are going to see each other very soon at the next one of Mmcrypto. As always, guys, as always, bye-bye.